Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely downgrade from iOS 27 beta to iOS 26. If you install iOS 27 beta through Apple's developer program or software beta program, you may decide you want to downgrade because of usability or stability issues. Apple's beta versions of its major software updates can be notoriously buggy, especially the early rollouts. You may find apps not working properly, poor battery life, device crashes, and features that don't do what they are supposed to. Fortunately, you can restore your iPhone or iPad to the previous version of iOS or iPadOS with ease. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch Finder on your Mac, and if you're using a Windows device, you have to launch the iTunes app. Then you have to connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer using a Lightning or USB-C cable. Then you have to put your device into the recovery mode. Just press and quickly release the volume up button. Then you have to press and release the volume down button. And then you have to hold down the side button, aka the power button, until you see the recovery mode screen. Now a dialog will pop up asking if you want to restore your device. Just click on Restore to wipe your device and install the latest public release of iOS or iPadOS. Then make sure to wait while the restore process completes, and that's pretty much it. Once you have successfully followed these steps, you can restore a backup of your device from iOS 26 using your Mac or iCloud, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can securely downgrade from iOS 27 beta to iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.